Hello guys, welcome again to the Word of Life. Today we are also going to continue on some characteristics of living things. We are moving into irritability. Irritability is the process by which an organism responds to internal or external stimuli. Okay, so irritability is also called stimulus response or sensation. So the organism actually responds to the external sensation or external sensation. Then when we are talking about external sensation, we are talking about the sensation from the environment like heat, pressure, humidity, or any change that can affect the feelings of that organism. Then when we are talking about internal sensation or internal irritability, we are talking about some physiological or biochemical process that can affect the feeling of the organism, like hemostasis or osmoregulation. Okay, when the organism try to respond to the chemical balance of his environment or his body. Okay, so in general term, this particular topic is also called the nervous system or the nervous coordination. And the nervous coordination is actually we have different nervous response in both plants and animals. So in plants respond slow to external and internal stimuli. Okay, generally the response of stimuli in plants are very slow. For instance, if you try to pluck leaf from plant, the leaf seem to be fresh. So at a time, the more water drop out from the leaf, the more the leaf starts to wrinkle. Okay, this is actually how it happen in plants. Then some plants respond faster to external stimuli, like some plants that are actually chemosynthetic, okay, that can feed on insects so that they can be able to digest them and absorb some nutrients, mostly some nitrogenous substance to help them to grow. These plants respond faster to external stimuli. Okay, so we are also going to talk about them as a food topic. Now, in man or in animals, the response are fast. For instance, if maybe you wanted to feel hungry, okay, or before that could happen, immediately the acid level of your stomach became high up to 2 or 3 pH level. It will now trigger a nerve ending we called vagus nerve 5. Now that vagus nerve 5 will now report to your brain telling you that hey, you needed to eat. Okay, so you will now look for something to eat. That is why one of the reasons why anytime you are feeling hungry and you wanted a smooth digestion, you needed to drink some water. Okay, that water you drink will now help you to be able to digest food very coolly, because food digestion is controlled by enzymatic reaction. We are going to talk about it as a food topic about enzymes, where you will know that an enzyme cannot be able to function in much acidity, much dilute, or much alkaline environment. So they need absolute. It is neither acid, basic, or dilute or concentrated. Okay, so we are also going to talk about that. So, in as much we introduce the irritability today as one of the characteristics of living thing, we are also going to treat it as a full topic of itself. Okay, so do follow me if you're not actually following me before. Share it with your friends who are also interested to learn. I will be dropping video here every day so that we will be able to learn together. And also comment your thoughts, okay, or anything maybe you don't actually understand. I will also make some videos to improve your understanding or improve your taste. Okay, see you in the next video.